going on here, Devin?
You know what time it is.
Ready to cook. Nice. Just got back from our ride. How was the ride, Devin?
Exhausting.
Exhausting. Freaking windy as hell. Look at the flag. Well, that doesn't do justice, but it's pretty windy. Look at this setup right here. Like, comment, and subscribe. I want to get to this level. The new paddle did good today.
Yeah, how you like that scat track?
A little squirrely, but it grips more for sure. It's fun. Did I roost you?
A little bit.
A little bit. Ooh, that's a nice red machine. And then
That's a nice
and then a nice piece of.
Shut up.
Let's go. We lost an axle, man. It's just chilling.
And a block.
You don't gotta know all that. Nice. Nice. Oh, can you smell it? Yes. It's not ready yet. Actually, I like my medium rare.
Shut the f on, chicken.
Oh, hell yeah. Touch the raw ass chicken with that.
Dude, it'll burn off. Stop f***ing.
What's going on?
We're making a little Ramey's chicken sandwich.
That's right.
Jalapenos.
Yo.
And the jalapeno ass.
Jalapeno ass. Jalapeno chicken and buns. Alright. We're playing a drinking game. Let's see if Devin can win. Alright, if you guys ever played this before, let me know. It's pretty dope. I don't know what the f it's called though.
Stupid.
We out here! Put this on the channel.
Alright, my turn.
Yep. There you go. There you go. Oh shit. No way!
Game.
Damn! Damn! Holy shit, dude. The goal is to not hit any face cards. If you hit a face card, you gotta drink and start over. And Devin just ran through that shit quick. Stupid.
That's two.
Which is appreciated, thank you. The girl posted. Huh? Yeah, just cruise.
But they're doing 100.
Yeah, they are.
On camera.
Just tired. That fucking thing you can write this.
Take a video and put it on YouTube.
She'll have that stuff.
Oh